Your air conditioner can suddenly stop working due to power issues like a tripped breaker or faulty wiring. A simple thermostat problem, such as wrong settings or dead batteries, can also prevent your system from turning on. Clogged air filters restrict airflow and may cause the system to overheat and shut down. Low refrigerant levels or leaks can reduce cooling and trigger system protection shutdowns. Frozen coils or blocked airflow can stop your AC from running properly. Failing components like capacitors or compressors often require professional repair to restore your system.